Hi, Karen again. So now we have completed sorting the objects using comparable interface. So now the problem with the comparable interface is only on one attribute we can use the sorting. So we cannot use sorting on multiple attributes. For example, now we have executed sorting on id attribute only. Now for example, if you want to do sorting on first name or last name also, then again we have to go to the student class and we have to do modifications. So we cannot do sorting on all the attributes like id, first name or last name. So this is the problem with the comparable interface. For example, now if you want to do sorting based on first name, you have to go back to student class. You have to make changes to the student class now. So wherever id is mentioned, we have to use first name to compare first name object in object 1 and first name in second object. So we have to do that comparison. So for example, just we'll try that now. First name, we'll try to do the sorting with first name. So I am in student class now. So here in this compare, just I will comment this. If you want to do sorting the first name, just I'm putting comment here. What we can do, if you want to sort by first name, again we write the comparative method. So comparative method. I am reusing the some part of the code because this is same. So in comparative method, we have to cast the object reference to student reference because the actual object is from the student class. So now what we can do, we have to use the comparative again on. So by default, this will have the first object, that is object 1. So I just call get first name and dot comparative. So I can use comparative method again, and as a parameter to the comparative method, I can pass the actual WoW object that is now casted to student class. Now that is having std reference, std dot first name, get first name, and I am returning the result of this comparison. So now here return this dot get first name compared to std dot get first name. Here this is object 1 and std is object 2. So we are comparing these two objects. So because now we are comparing the get first name attribute, so now our output will be sorted using first name only. So we will run this program now and see the result. And running the program as Java application, and we'll see the output now. And just double click on the console to see the output. Yeah, see. So here now M Meera, N Naga, Raju, Vasu. So this is in sorted order, MNRV. So this is sorted by first name now. So like that, if you want to sort by last name, again you have to make the changes to the student class. So this is the drawback of the comparable interface. So now that's why we are going to comparator. So with the comparator, we can write without touching main student class or whatever the class on which objects we are sorting. We can sort on n number of attributes. So further we can use comparator attribute. We can use comparator interface. So that we'll see in the next tutorial.